COVID-19 and your heat pump. If you've done a double take because of our weird headline, COVID-19 and your heat pump, you are not alone. Everyone's talking about the pandemic, and people are worried. In fact, most are worried how to best protect themselves from the spread of the virus, and how to stay safe in the weeks and months to come. So we've decided to do our bit to help you understand how your air conditioner or heat pump is connected to the coronavirus. That is why we put together the ultimate guide to getting your air conditioner ready for an autumn and winter dominated by coronavirus. If your air conditioner has been sitting idle throughout the warmer months, then it may have been collecting leaves, dust and debris, and its running parts may need a pre-season tune-up. Just like you need to get ready for winter with warmer clothes, your heat pumps needs to get ready for winter too. Of particular concern is the danger of mold, pollen, dust and fungus having settled in the pipes and filters, because we all want to protect our families from the effects of respiratory diseases. But the more spores, dust, old pollen, mold and tiny fungus you have sitting in your heat pump, the greater the danger that they severely impact your health when you start using your heat pump in winter. If your heat pump starts blowing dirty air and moldy pollutants into your home, this may affect your breathing. More importantly, it may potentially weaken your immune system, because your body needs to fight off all the mildew and fungus particles it blows into your house. The more dust and pollutants you have floating around, the more of them you and your children breathe them in. This means your immune system will have to fight harder because you breathe this toxic mix into your lungs, day in, day out. Because your immune system may already be pushed hard coping with this, it may be weakened when it has to fight the common cold, the influenza flu that comes around each year, and on top of that the coronavirus. Wouldn't you want to have the cleanest air in your house instead? We don't know yet how bad COVID-19 will affect us in the weeks and months to come, but chances are that we will all stay at home inside for longer periods. Our kids will be confined inside as well for hours and hours, and we need to keep them warm. So we're even more reliant on the cleanest air possible inside our homes to keep our families safe and healthy. Calling in a professional is a smart move. It's a good idea to have a licensed technician look over your unit. When a professional takes care of your air conditioner, you're retaining your investment and getting the most out of it. Besides having the right tools and know-how, a heat pump contractor can fix or upgrade your system, keep it running efficiently and address issues before they become larger problems. As part of their tune-up, they will thoroughly clean the condenser and evaporator coils, ensure the system has the correct refrigerant charge. Repairs to an air conditioner's sealed refrigeration system are never a DIY job. Check. And tighten electrical connections, flush the drains, check. Clean and repair the ductwork, inspect your unit, and recommend any repairs to help extend the life of your air conditioner and ensure maximum energy efficiency. Don't dilly-dally on this, the days are getting shorter and the nights are getting colder. Give Robin from Kapiti Heat Pumps a call on 027-298-0041. Book your heat pump inspection and clean out now. Your family will thank you for it. 027-298-0041 is the number, call it now.